All right, good afternoon, YouTube. Today is October the 5th. Working on some fuel pump relays for our Yamaha YXZ 1000R fuel pump kits. Just wanted to do a really fast product showcase. I don't really have much info on this particular harness other than we recommend it for certain fuel pumps when you upgrade your YXZ 1000R, but I don't have much description of this on the website, or it's just a drop-down menu item in our fuel pump section. But I just figured I'd show it off real quick. Just made a couple of these and getting ready to ship a couple with some kits. So this relay kit or wire harness kit that I sell basically gives you your 40 amp SPTS style waterproof mil-spec relay. And it comes with a prefab harness that this end's going to plug in to the fuel pump sending unit, and this other side here connects to your factory fuel pump wiring, the 4 wires that come up to your stock sending unit. And then you get a lead. Everything's labeled. This fuse holder mounts on the passenger side in the center console, so you're going to basically mount this relay, it goes like this, to the lower crossbar underneath the shift handle when you have the passenger side transmission tunnel cover off. That just attaches to the frame, and you run these wires down. This one plugs into our sending unit. This one plugs into your factory wire harness. Ground wire, it's not showing up, but it's labeled. That goes down to the ground on the transmission. And then this other longer lead runs up along the transmission tunnel and into the center console, where you attach, you don't even have to attach this, but that you put your fuse in there, which is also labeled. And then lastly, the last wire, which, man, these aren't showing up. The last one attaches to the positive on your battery. And what this does is, this is a overkill, but 25 amp dedicated circuit for your fuel pump. So when you're running, pretty much any automotive fuel pump, which is not the factory Yamaha pump, it provides enough current for that pump to work correctly. So that's one of the things with our sending unit. This is a different connector, but this has got pins in here that are rated for 30 amps on the pump side. You can see the bigger gauge wire. So you got a direct path of current from the battery right to the fuel pump. That gives you proper current, which is going to prevent fuel pressure drop, like under boost, when the fuel pressure regulator is commanding more fuel pressure. It's going to give the pump enough go to power through that. It's also going to protect wiring. The factory circuit in your Yamaha is only a 10 amp circuit. I believe it uses 18 gauge wire, which is designed to run a fuel pump that only pulls about 5 amps of current under full load. So when you stick a fuel pump in your tank that might pull 20 amps or something, you have to address that. So we've made this as a really simple plug and play item. It takes 5 minutes to put this in when you have the fuel tank and passenger side transmission tunnel exposed when you're in there working on the fuel pump. And just wanted to highlight that. So thanks for checking out the video, guys. See you soon. Bye.